New Delhi date. 13 July 2020, Monday. Two questions have always been of interest to scientists. One is how the universe was born and the other is how life came into existence. There are many opinions and assumptions in the world about coming to life, but there are also many opinions prevalent among scientists. But a recent study has revealed what the source of life was. The importance of carbon in life. In this discovery, astronomers believe that the basis of all life is carbon. Acknowledging this, researchers have talked about finding a source of carbon. Considering this basic assumption, astronomers have claimed that the source of life in the universe is the white dwarf. The role of the life cycle of stars. Every star has an age. That is, he is born and dies. When it dies, a very large explosion called a supernova occurs. But before that, when the star runs out of fuel, it shrinks due to its own gravity, and only then does a huge explosion take place. But some of those stars do not explode and become black holes. What a white dwarfs, the center or core of the stars, is called the dwarf. Most stars become white dwarfs when they complete their life cycle, which was called the center or core of the star. Now astronomers claim that the principal element in all forms of life is the core. This core contains a substance called carbon. About 90% of the stars in the universe eventually turn into white dwarfs. How carbon is formed? Dwarf temperatures are very high. About 1,000,000 degrees hot. For billions of years the stars are cold and lose their luster, leaving only the core. In addition, the rest that comes out of it contains carbon, which is the fourth most abundant substance in the universe. No life is possible without carbon, and all the carbon in the universe comes from the stars. Studied these stars. In this study, scientists studied the formation of dwarf stars in our Milky Way galaxy and its subsequent state. The bigger the star, the bigger its dwarf. But the scientists found that the core, the dwarf's load, was much higher than previously thought. Based on this study, astronomers found that stars weighed twice or more than our Sun. He has played a greater role in spreading carbon in the universe, while stars weighing 1.5 times or less have less role in spreading carbon. Their study concludes that carbon has been accumulating in the universe for the last 4.6 years while our solar system was evolving. This discovery has revealed where the carbon in the universe comes from, but it has not been possible for scientists to know where life came from on Earth. Some scientists now believe that a large number of meteorites rained down on the Earth at one time. It is possible that the amount of carbon on Earth increased because of it, and that the basic chemicals needed for life also came from there. But so far scientists have not succeeded in proving the myth. For more details kindly go to https://ift.tt3bgfif3. Thanks for watching my video. Please hit like button and subscribe my channel. Also press bell icon for future video notifications.